Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Today I am reviewing the Costco Folding Bag. Now, the old lady brought this home the other day, and I think she's seen me struggle with all my brushes, rollers, and little whiz handles, and I usually just put them in a paint tray, and the whiz handles and everything in one, and brushes and rollers in the other. And they kind of it's an okay system, but look at this. Four compartments. You could do one, you could do two, you could do none. Um, I just think like this is a great idea. Everything's all Velcro. It's super light, and you can keep all your stuff in one place. So two trays before, and now I just have one bin. You got this little bottom part here to hold the shape of the folding container, and you know this is a great idea. I gotta, hats off to my lovely wife, because I wouldn't have thought of this, and I don't think I'm ever gonna fold it up like this, but you can if you want to. It's got these handles here, these two handles, and there's clips on the side as well to hold it in place. I just scoot around here to the side, and you'll see. Now, it's just good in a pinch, you know. I don't think I'm ever going to fold it up, but I'll always kind of keep it, the way it is here. But just open and ready for use. But yeah, if you're interested in one of these, pick one up. I think they could be really great for groceries and um, all sorts of stuff around. Like look at these big pockets here too. Like I haven't even figured out what I'm going to put in this stuff, but as a painter bag for all your stuff, it's fantastic, and I, I'm in love with it right now. Yeah. So I don't know what you think about it. It's all Velcro. I mean, look at this. This is very well thought out here. So if you're looking for a great bag, you got to head to Costco, folks.